So we have said scientists may work alone or in teams to analyze data and draw conclusions. We have said that conclusions are very important in the end of any investigation. So if you want to answer this question, a database is a collection of information or objects. Databases are organized so they are easy to search, like a search website. So let me say something, guys. If you Google and you search on Google, you will find a lot of information on Google, right? How Google get all of this information? All of these information. I'd like to say every scientist, yes, Hannah?
I know, because what its name? I know it's in Arabic, what it's the name.
Trying to say it in English. What do you like to express about?
You see like the new in Emirates, they put it a shape, the new shape. What? Then it's in space now. What's the name of it now?
Do you mean rocket?
Not the rocket. In some ships, there is something inside it. In the space, it will give us things from outside the Earth.
Is it cabin?
What?
Cabin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course. So how can we get the information from Google? How can Google get all of these information?
From the kid.
Information. If you have you searched on Google Earth? Like, look at this. When I do something like this, this is my page of internet. Now I want to know information about new things. Let's say, for example, animals. I want to know new thing about animals. When I search about animals, I'll find a lot of things here. You can find, look at my screen. Look at my screen,
Yeah.
a lot of things about animals. How can Google get all of these information? From scientists.
From a scientist.
Yeah, when scientists in their investigation about new thing, they will record all of these data on the internet or in their own notebooks. Okay. So my question here, a database is a collection of information or objects. Databases are organized so they are easy to search, like a search website. How would you search a database of insects facts to see what others have learned about the decrease in the number of honeybees? Could you please write this answer? And if you want to change this answer, I accept it in condition that your answer is logic. I could search by location, by the number of hides over time, by current events, or by honeybee disease. Write it, please.
Yes.
Yes, Ibrahim, do you want to say anything?
So first of all, scientists. How there's a bunch of data and information about it is why scientists actually work. They work with Google and send all of the information to Google to put public or other. And also, the more they work, there's hunters. It's the same thing with a lot.
Yeah.
Some can be different and some can be the same. So they all work in Google. To put their information public, they work by Google.
Yeah, thank you.
So
The last thing here, museums often have large collections of specimens. So scientists can compare what they have found to what's in a museum. Have you done with writing?
Yeah.
Yes, Adam.
I'm going to tell you every time what is the page.
This is page 37. 37, 37, 37. So look, if you look at this picture, you find a museum here. This is like a client of this museum. So we have said museums often have large collection of specimens. You know, specimens like samples of animals, plants, and creatures like this. So scientists can compare what they have found to what's in a museum. Page 37. Have you done? Ibrahim, have you done? Faris? Sami?
It's on which page?
I
21.
said 37. 37. Quickly, please.
Hello,
Ibrahim,
yes.
Osama, have you done? Harith?
I'm writing.
Omar, Yazan, Uday, Fahd, Abdul Ilah, Rayyan, Abdul Rahman, Muhammad.
Started writing.
Have you done, boys? This is page 37. Quickly, please. We need to write another page.
I'm gonna write it.
Teacher, there is speech. Its speech is 39.
Specimens. Yeah, the homework will be page 39. Word problem. I'm sorry, word play. Now let's move to the most important page here in this lesson, sum it up, to collect our information for this lesson. This is page 38. Summarize. Number 1, research is the key. Number 8, scientists do research to find out what others know. Number B, reference sources you can use. Encyclopedias, books, science articles, museums, contact a scientist, science websites. We need to write all of these information and references. This is page again 38. 38. Only three students who opened the camera, Adam, Yazan, Sami, and Harith. Now they are 4. Thank you. Omar, thank you. The others closed their camera. I don't know why. Thanks, Aday. Faris, Ibrahim. And question 2, science tools. What are the science tools? Telescope, hand lens, magnifying box, microscope. Scientists use tools to make the senses more powerful. As you know, boys, we can't get all details of very tiny insects by using our naked eyes. We are going to use microscope or hand lens. Even if we want to look at a space, we need to use telescope. So tools that aid the sense of sight: telescope, hand lens, magnifying box, microscope. Question 3, what is the title of this one? Pen, balance, spring scale, tape measure, ruler. Number D, thermometer. This is measurement tools. Measurement tools. If I ask you to find or to write the temperature degree, you're going to use thermometer. If you want to find the length of your table, for example, we're going to use tape measure. Even if you want to know the weight of some light things, we're going to use spring scale. Number 4, recording and displaying data. A, data are the bytes of information. Bits of information you observe. Number B, ways to display data, tables, maps, graphs. Only 2 minutes until the end of this class. You need to hurry up as much as you can.
Okay, so Mr. First of all,
Yeah, go on.
you took too long. I'm trying to remember, okay? Just wait.
On your map, raise up your hand.
Can you go on the another page? I didn't finish.
No problem. This is the most important page. Try to finish it up.
I finished this.
No. Have you finished this?